So question 6 here. Alfred is playing Texas Hold'em Poker, a game in which he receives a hand of 2 cards dealt at random from a standard 52-card deck. What is the probability that Alfred's hand has a pair of aces? Okay. And then B, what's the probability that Alfred's hand is just a pair? So it's a probability question, equiprobable sample space, so we might say, all right, the probability we want is number of, so for the first one, number of ways to get 2 aces divided by just the number of ways to get 2 cards. All right. Okay. As usual, the bottom one's easier thing to work out. So out of a standard 52-card deck, number of ways to just be dealt 2 cards. Well, just take your 52 cards and choose 2 of them. Right? Because when you think about a hand of cards, it doesn't really matter the order you hold them in. It doesn't matter the order you get them in. Order doesn't matter when you play poker or bridge or anything like that. So that's going to be the bottom here. Now, what about the number of ways to get 2 aces? Well, I'm not free to choose 52 cards anymore. Right? How many aces are in a deck of cards? 4. So if I'm getting dealt 2 aces, I'm choosing 2 of the 4 aces that are possible. So our probability is 4 choose 2 over 52 choose 2. Okay. Now if it's just how many ways to, or what's the probability of being dealt a pair? Let's think about number of ways to get a pair. Again, over the number of ways that we already worked out to get 2 cards. Okay, so I already know the bottom is going to be the 52 choose 2. But now, if I'm getting a pair, how do I make a pair? What are the number of ways to get a pair? So it's not just aces. So first, choose what rank of card. You know, am I being dealt a pair of 2s, or a pair of 10s, or a pair of jacks, or a pair of aces? How many different possible ranks in a deck? Well, it's 13. Choose one of those 13. Once I've made that choice that I'm going to be dealt a pair of 7s, then there's 4 cards of that rank. So just like with the aces, I will take those 4 cards and choose 2 of them. Do I get the 7 of spades and the 7 of hearts, or do I get the 7 of clubs and the 7 of hearts? Right? We didn't have the 13 choose 1 in the first one because we already knew we were getting aces. But here we might be getting queens. Okay? So multiplying those together, that becomes my new numerator. And there we go.